Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we followed the complete journey of our API proxy from our laptop through Cloud Build all the way to Apigee X. Now that you understand how the deployment pipeline works, the next question is what exactly are we deploying? Let's open our project and explore the repository structure used in Enterprise Apigee project. This repository contains everything required to build and deploy an API proxy. Every enterprise project follows a similar structure. Each file has a specific responsibility, and together they make our deployment pipeline work. Let's begin with the most important folder, API proxy. Think of this folder as the heart of our API. It contains everything that defines how our API behaves. Inside this folder, you will find your proxy endpoints, target endpoints, policies, JavaScript resources, XML files, and every configuration required by Apigee. If someone asks you where the API actually lives, the answer is simple. It lives inside the API proxy folder. Next, we have the pom.xml file. This file is the brain of our deployment process. It tells Maven how to package our proxy and communicate with Apigee. Don't worry about understanding every tag today. We will dedicate an entire lecture to pom.xml later in this course. The next file is cloudbuild.yaml file. If pom.xml tells Maven what to do, then cloudbuild.yaml tells cloudbuild what to do. Think of it as a recipe. Cloudbuild simply reads this file and executes each step in the order we define. Now let's look at env.sh file. Enterprise projects never hardcode environment details directly into their deployment scripts. Instead, they use environment variables. This file stores values such as the Google Cloud Project ID, the Apigee organization, the deployment environment, and service account information. Changing a variable here allows us to deploy the same proxy to different environments without changing the source code. Hope you guys understand it. Every professional repository should also include a README file. It explains what the project does, how to set it up, and how to deploy it. Good documentation saves hours of troubleshooting for your teammates. Let's connect all the pieces. The API proxy folder contains our API. Pom.xml explains how Maven should package and deploy it. Cloudbuild.yaml tells CloudBuild which steps to execute. And env.sh provides the environment-specific values used during the deployment. Together, these files form the foundation of an enterprise Apigee CI/CD pipeline. So far, we have answered three important questions. Why do we need CI/CD? How does an enterprise deployment pipeline work? And what files make up a real Apigee project? In the next lecture, we will prepare our development environment by installing the tools required to build and deploy our proxy.